How to fix Walgreens cannot create account. To fix Walgreens account creation error, you have to try clearing your browser cache. So to remove the cache, first of all, tap on this lock-like icon right next to the address bar or the website. Now, once you tap on it, you should be able to access this cookies and site data option. All you have to do is tap on this trash bin-like icon to remove or clear the cache. Once you clear it, you simply have to reload the application, or you simply have to reload the website itself and try to create an account. Or alternatively, what you can also do is simply open your mobile device's app store, then search for Walgreens application and proceed to install it onto your device. Once you install it, you simply have to launch the application. From there, you should be able to bypass all these options within the Walgreens website, and you can simply try to create an account from the application itself. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.